Hello there, wig lover. This is a very brief wig review. Well, it's actually a re-review of a wig that I reviewed with my crappy older camera that I want you to be able to see with the beautiful high-def camera. For a couple reasons. I really like the cut, and so I really wanted you to have an opportunity to see what this looks like right out of the box, again, with the HD camera. But this color is also really beautiful, and it's one that I've only ever seen in the Estetica line. So let's get right down to it. This is Emma from the High Society Monofilament Collection by Estetica, and the color on this is RJ20/2710. Now let me break that down for you. A 20 is, it's a blonde. It's kind of not a dark blonde, not a light blonde, it's kind of a flaxen blonde. 27 is strawberry blonde, and 10 is kind of like a light brown. So it's a light golden brown. Let me throw that out there. So it's one of those really beautiful combinations that I tend to gravitate towards, where if it's three colors blended, it's got an ash, it's got a gold, and it's got a slightly auburn color blended throughout. So you get a little bit of warmth, a little bit of ash, just a very, very well-rounded blended tone. This is a beautiful color for summer. It's also a really beautiful color if you don't want to commit to a light blonde, but you want to lighten up a brunette shade. So let's say you're a fan of light browns in general. This would be a great color because it reminds me a little bit of like Toasted Sesame or like Frosted from the Envy line. It's just very, very pretty. If you're looking for a really beautiful, warm, but not too warm, light brown shade for summer, this is a great choice. And the Emma wig in general is a great choice for hot weather, or any kind of weather actually. It has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, does not have a lace front, but it doesn't really need it. It has a full bang. And I think that the wig is relatively lightweight. It weighs about 3 ounces, give or take. And you can find full specs and full measurements and all that jazz in the complete review that was done with the older, crappier camera. I just really wanted to give you a chance to see what this looks like. And it is still up for grabs in the clearance gems portion of my website, this exact review wig. So if you're looking for something in a really beautiful color that is above the shoulders for summer, this is a really good choice. Let me go ahead and back here. This is a very beautiful standard bob. Very traditional cut. The bang is highly manageable on the Emma wig. I've just swept it off to the side, and it does stay to the side pretty easily. If you find that the bang is too long for you, you can always have a stylist cut it straight across for you. So there you go. And again, if you want to see the complete cap construction and all that good stuff, check out the original review on my YouTube channel or by going to my website, CysterWigs at CysterWigs.com, and just look in the search bar for Emma, E-M-M-A, and this should be the first thing that pops up. And you can see both this video again there, you can see all the specs for this wig, all the colors it's available in, and you can also see the original review. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.